5 do's and 5 don'ts of communication strategy that only experience can teach you. A strategy is crucial to ensure that your communication efforts do exactly what you expect them to do. However, developing one can be a tricky business. So here are a few do's and don'ts to keep in mind. First, narrow down on a single objective for communication and define what it is that you want to leave behind in the audience's mind. The more focused the objective, the stronger the strategy can get. Second, always dig deeper to find the right insights by asking the right questions. The key to effective brand communication is understanding of human behavior, their motivations, their struggles, their desires, as well as the roadblocks. Third, map your competitors' communication efforts. Don't just list down their campaigns and activations. Probe deeper to understand what is it that they're trying to do to their audience's perception and behavior. Fourth, make your strategy actionable. If your written strategy does not give a clear direction to the creative team in terms of what needs to be said, they won't be able to craft the message correctly and you will be stuck in an endless feedback loop. 5. Practice writing strategy statements to get better at it. How you frame your problem statement, the audience insight, and the strategic solution has a massive impact on client understanding, their decision making, and even the creative outcome. Now let's look at some don'ts. First, avoid the jargons. Simplicity is at the heart of communication and the key to an effective one. They say it's easy to complicate things, but it's difficult to simplify them. Second, don't fall for personal bias. Sometimes the audience's behavior do not match with ours and we are quick to dismiss it saying, nobody does that. But hey, many actually do. Third, don't work in isolation. Developing a strategy demands a lot of information and intelligence which you won't find on Google. And you'd be surprised at the amount of insights that surface when you start talking to people. Your peers, your bosses, your juniors, your family, and even your friends. Fourth, don't make long strategy presentations. Your strategy could be on a single slide or two and still be more effective and impactful than a long 25 slides deck. Put all the research, the mapping, and all the build-up in the appendix. And 5. Don't resist feedback. Just like the creative folks, strategists get a lot of feedback too, and it can feel demotivating. However, most of this feedback is objective and based on experiences of other senior strategists as well as clients. It is best not to take this feedback personally and rather use it as an input to strengthen your strategy. And it's raining heavily. Found this video useful? Share it with your network and don't forget to follow Rahul Mandal aka Mandal Bhari for more content on advertising, branding, marketing and social media strategy.